In today's video, I'm going to share how you can earn over $30 for less than 3 minutes of work. Realistically, you could probably do it in about 2 minutes, but we'll say 3 just to be a bit conservative with this. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how this method works. I'll walk you through this step by step. You don't need any experience for this. It can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. And more importantly, it's incredibly simple to get this method up and running today. And look, if you've got an hour a day to dedicate to this, you can earn a lot more than $30. There's so many different ways you can make money with this, but we'll focus on earning over $30 for less than 3 minutes in this video. So please make sure you watch it till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll know how this works, you'll know how to set all of this up, and more importantly, you'll have an actual plan in place to get this method up and running. Because look, everyone's looking to make money online and from home, and this is just another simple and easy way that you can start today, really. So let's jump into it and I'll walk you through the entire process. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So let's just jump over here and I'll walk you through this entire process. So I was doing a bit of research for one of my niche blogs, and I've just come over to YouTube and I've typed in stop snoring. So you can see on here currently, I mean, I can't believe it's this many people are searching for this, but 49,500 people are searching for this search term up here every single month. It's insane. Look, 49,500. Then you've also got other search queries. So we've got stop snoring exercises, 1,300. Stop snoring devices, 8,000, etc., etc. So this gave me a quick idea. So this is how this method works here, and this is just in the stop snoring niche. You can use this in absolutely any niche that you want. So first of all, we're going to need a product or a service which we can promote or share to earn some money. So if I come over here onto Clickbank, where's it's up here, so I've got that many tabs open. So over on Clickbank here, this is absolutely free to sign up with. This is an affiliate network, so you just create an account for free. You come up here where it says Marketplace, and I've just typed in up here, as you can see, the word snoring. Now you can scroll through and you can find lots and lots of these different products whereby you can earn an affiliate commission. So you see like this one here, for example, it says the average conversion is nearly $40. And this is the Stop Snoring Exercise Program. So if you want to promote this, we'll click on Promote. And we'll click on Generate Hop Link. Well, you can see up here, look, you can earn 75% commissions for every customer who you refer to this product. So if we click on Generate Hop Link, this is my link. So if I copy this and click on Go To, it's just going to open up in Google in a new tab, and here it is. So you can see on here, this is essentially the product which we would be sending traffic to. Anyone comes over here, purchases this product, we can earn 75%, so about $30. So lots of information on here. This essentially is the sales page. So we're going to be driving traffic over to this sales page. So let me take this up to the top here for you. So we've decided on a niche or a category, which is the stop snoring niche over here. Stop snoring, because there's a hell of a lot of people looking for this. We found a product to promote over here on Clickbank, this one here. And if you want to, include more than one product, then you can do. You can just go through and pick a bunch of these. So once you've done those, the next step is we need to create content, because obviously we need to drive traffic or get visitors over to this sales page here. So how do we do this? Well, I said to you, this can be done in less than 3 minutes. And if we're using YouTube as our example, so, a hell of a lot of people are looking for this search term up here, stop snoring, how would we do this? Well, I use this piece of software and I highly recommend it, and there'll be links to this below for you, and you can trial this for 2 weeks for free, so you can play around with this and see if you like it. and it's called Vidnami. Now this here, look, it's a point and click video maker, no experience required. Come further on the page here, there's lots of benefits to this. Basically, it will automatically transcribe your clips and effortlessly create captions for you. There's over 700, well, nearly 800,000 video clips included within this. You don't need any experience with this whatsoever, and it's genuinely really simple to do. So let me log inside of this software and I'll show you how this works and how we'd, start making money from using this software. So if I come over here, let me just go to my videos. This is inside of the software. We click up here, we click on create a new video. And then on here, these are all templates, so you can go through and pick any one of these that you want. So let's just go with this green one over here and click on use template. If you want to see how it looks, you just click on play and it'll show you this.
Just around the corner.
And we're just going to click on use this template. Now bear in mind, every part of this template you can edit excuse me, you can edit any part of this, so it's not a problem. So we're just going to go on here and we're just going to type in stop snoring. So you've got to give everything a title. Now you see here where it says add your script. Basically whatever script you put into here, this is where the software is going to create a video for you. So how would you get a script? Well, you could go and outsource this if you wanted to, but a simple way and a cheap way and a free way is literally go over to Google and just type in stop snoring ideas, or anything really, how to stop snoring, etc, etc. And all we're going to do is, let's just click on this one, and you'd go into a few of these. Let me just click on agree. And I'm just going to take a part of this here, right? So let me just come down here. I'm going to copy this. Now you wouldn't just copy this and insert this into the software. You'd make edits to this and you'd make it your own. If you're lazy and you want a free method and a quick method like me, you can use something called an article spinner. So let me just come over here. And this one here, it's called free article spinner here. Let me just get rid of this down here for you. So you put in your text over here. So let me just paste this in here. Paste as plain text. So that is the text from the website that we found. Click on I am not a robot. And then once that loads up, you scroll down here and you click on spin text. And then basically it's going to give you a new unique bit of content. So we take this and we copy this. And then we'll go back over to our software. So where's the tab with the software? This one over here. No, this one over here. And we're going to paste that into our script. Paste and then come down here and click on create scenes. And then what will happen here is this software here builds the video for you. So look how quick it's running. And that's our video done. So basically you go through and you just double check this and make sure that you're happy with any part of this video. And basically if you don't like any of the videos in the background here, if you don't like this and you want to change it, over on the left hand side here you've got these different keywords. Now these keywords here, they have been basically brought out of the script that you inputted a second ago. So you can click on any of these here and it will give you additional videos. So let's just say for argument's sake you want to go with this one here. You click on there and it brings your video over here. If you don't want a video, you click on images and you can use an image instead. I'd recommend that you stick with clips because these just work a lot better. So you go through and you make sure you're happy with this. If you want to change any part of your text, so if you want to change where the position of it, you just click on here, it'll put it in the middle for you, etc, etc. So you can leave it at the bottom, you can bold it, you can make it italic, you can underline, point. There's lots and lots more stuff that you can do with this. But basically, just scroll down to the bottom, make sure that you're happy with this, and we're going to click on add voice track to your video. Now here you've got a couple of options. You can go with music only, you can go with auto voice, you can record your own voice, or you can even upload a video track. But let's just go with no voice and we'll just go with music only. And click on here and click on preview your video. And that's pretty much, that's it done. So we've found an affiliate product, and then in terms of the work, we've created a video. as you've seen, it's not even taken 2 minutes to go ahead and get our content and our video created for us. So on the left hand side here, you've got a couple more options. So this is where you're selecting your music. So you can go and click on here and filter via any mood. You can also go into genre and change any part of this as well. And if you want to, click on here and then you just hover over any of these and it'll start playing the music for you so you can have a listen to this. And then you just select one, any one you want. So let's just click on, say, this one here. It will update it for you and then you just click on play. And then once you're happy with that, you click on looks good, continue. It will create your video for you. So you see here, look, generate your video. Your video will be generated in high definition. Really simple stuff. And then you download your video and then what do? You take your video, you upload it onto YouTube, and then in your video description over on YouTube, you include your affiliate link over to the products which you were promoting over on Clickbank. It really is quick and simple. Now this video software over here, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can trial and test this for 2 weeks. I've also got a unique code whereby you can get this with 25% off for life. So basically, instead of paying $47 a month, you can actually get this for $35 a month. So it's a little over $1 a day to get access to this software. If you're in the UK, it's just over 70 pence a day. So included in this, you get 25% off this for life. You also get access to over 790,000 premium video clips. You also get over 30,000 music tracks. And these video clips and this music tracks over here, this has been imported from a different website called Storyblocks. So if you wanted to go ahead and get access to Storyblocks video clip library, you'd literally pay $468 a year for this. Feel free to go ahead and Google and check it out because that's absolutely true. And then also, as part of this 25% off for life, you also get some additional bonuses. So you get this ultimate video traffic blueprint pack, you get 21 ways to find clients, you've got Facebook ad formulas, you've got, convert your phone into a pro video camera cheat sheet. You also get this here as well. It's called the Ultimate YouTube SEO Cheat Sheet. It's very, very good, this cheat sheet. It's got 22 proven tips and tricks to basically improve your rankings over on YouTube. But that is basically the method, and this is just one of the methods that I teach within my online YouTube course. So this is the software. There will be links to everything below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. If you click the links, they'll take you over to either the home page whereby you can get the free trial, or it'll take you over to this page here where you can get the 25% off for life. It's a pretty good deal because sadly I pay $47 a month for this piece of software here. But overall, it's absolutely awesome. And this is just one method that you can use to make money with this Vidnami. You can work with local video clients and many, many more. So yeah, this is the method to make money online. We find an affiliate product to promote. We create content for this. The content we're creating is in the form of a video. We use this software here. We download the video. We then upload it onto YouTube. We put a link to our affiliate product within the description. And we literally just pump out as many of these videos as possible over to, all of these different affiliate products. And you can do this in any category, in any niche. As you've seen, it's very simple to do. It's very easy. And this is just one way that you can make money on YouTube without being on camera, without talking, without any experience, and lots more. Now, if you want more ways to make money on YouTube, I'll also drop a link below over to my YouTube course. Now again, you can go ahead and have a look at this down below. Excuse me. In here, I'll just show you this. This is basically everything I know about making money on YouTube and from home. But more importantly, you'll see down here, we've got testimonials. So we've got testimonials from Yuri, Bobby, Trevor, Lindsay, we've got Jay down here, and many more people. And one of the things that we cover in this course here, so we've got like an overview of YouTube passive success. We've got how to start your channel properly, the fast method, so how to grow your channel very quickly. But if we scroll down here, this is probably the most important part, is this here, the money module. So in here we look at how you can make more money than most people on YouTube. I share with you how you can set this up, so essentially it becomes a passive income machine for you. I share also how you can actually automate the entire process. So if you don't want to even, create videos yourself, I'll show you how you can outsource absolutely everything. And basically we just go over the whole, basically all of it from start to finish. So there's lots of cool stuff inside of this course here. And yeah, that's just one method that you can make money online and from home. So look, if you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below for me. I'll drop links to absolutely everything. But look, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.